Class 1. Today we'll start a new chapter, that is Introduction to Tux Paint. Now, page number 49. Learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to 1. Start and close Tux typing. Play typing games like Fish Cascade and Comet Zap. Use the typing lessons of Tux typing. Now, warm up. Each finger on your hand has a different name. Look at this picture. You can see this picture. No, can you name all the fingers in your hand using the help box? In the help box, is given little finger, index finger, ring finger, thumb, middle finger. Now you have to name these fingers: little finger, index finger, ring finger, thumb and middle finger. Now turn to page number 50. Introduction to Tux typing. Tux typing is a typing program. What is Tux typing? Tux typing is a typing program. It makes us familiar with the keys present on the keyboard. So Tux typing makes us familiar with the keys present on the keyboard. It is used to learn typing on a keyboard. It is used to learn typing on a keyboard. Starting Tux typing. How you will start Tux typing? To start Tux typing, follow these steps. To start Tux typing, follow these steps. Number 1. Click on the start button. Where will you click? You will click on the start button. The start menu appears. There you can see the start menu appears. What appears? Start menu. Click the start button. There, number 1, start button. When you click, what appears? Start menu appears there. Then click on all programs. So where will you click? You will click on all programs. You will click on all programs. In the next menu that appears, click on Tux typing. In the next menu that appears, you click on Tux typing. Number 4. Now choose the Tux typing. Choose the Tux typing Windows option. The Tux typing window appears. Tux typing window appears. It displays the main menu. It displays the main menu now. Now Tux typing window. Now the main menu of Tux typing window shows many options. So the main menu of Tux typing window shows many options. These are: number 1, Fish Cascade. Opens the Fish Cascade game. So opens the Fish Cascade game. And number 2, Comet Zap. Opens the Comet Zap game. Now look at page number 51. Number 3, lessons shows typing lessons that user can use to learn typing. Shows typing lessons that users can use to learn typing. Number 4, options allows users to change the language. Allows user to change the language. Number 5, quit, close the program. Here Tux typing, what does it show? There you can see first Fish Cascade, Comet Zap, lessons, option and quit. Now you should know, when we type on the keyboard, every finger has a special role. Practice typing while placing the fingers on the keys as shown in the picture. Here, this is how you should practice typing on the keyboard. Now, games in Tux typing. Games in Tux typing. Tux typing has 2 games: Fish Cascade and Comet Zap. Let us see how these games are played. Let us see how these games are played. Fish Cascade. In this game, users need to press the alphabet written on the falling fish so that the penguin can eat them. So in this game, the user needs to press the alphabet written on the falling fish so that the penguin can eat them. If users fail to type the correct alphabet, the penguin loses one life. The game ends when the penguin loses all his life. Now here, to start the fish cascade game, follow these steps. Number 1, click on the fish cascade option. Number 2, choose the label of the game. Say easy. You choose the label of the game, the easy mode here. Then number 3, choose the theme, any alphabet. You choose the theme, any alphabet here. Number 3, you can choose any alphabet there. Choose any alphabet. Now type the alphabet or alphabets written on the falling fish before it reaches the ground. So before it reaches the ground, there the F is coming. You have to type F before the fish reaches the ground. Now, if a user press wrong key, the penguin loses his life. Thus the game is over. So starting and playing fish cascade. Now first you have to go click on the fish cascade option. Number 2, choose the label of the game, that is easy. Then number 3, choose the theme, say alphabet. And number 4, type the alphabets written on the falling fish before it reaches the ground. Now quick way, press ESC key from the keyboard to pause the game. You press ESC key from the keyboard to pause the game. Pressing the ESC key twice takes us back to the main menu. So it takes us back to the main menu. So we'll read till there for today.